friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASRock B650M PG Lightning MicroATX Motherboard. So friend, it featuring advanced technical specification including PCIe 5.0 compatibility and 2.5G LAN connectivity. This motherboard is designed for socket AM5, supports the AMD P650 chipset catering to the Ryzen 7000 series, and the key features include power supply circuit with a 6 plus 2 plus 1 phase configuration utilizing Dr.MOS technology. Memory is equipped with 4 DDR5 memory slots supporting a maximum capacity of 192 GB. Memory speed can reach up to 7200 MHz. Support memory profiles such as AMD EXPO and Intel XMP. Storage option: other versatile storage solution including Blazing M.2 into 1, Hyper M.2 into 2, and SATA 3.0 into 4 connections. Expansion slot features one PCI Express 4.0 into 16 slot with reinforced steel specification and include one PCI Express 4.0 into 4 by 16 step slot and provides an M.2 slot designed for Wi-Fi 6 modules and network connectivity equipped with 2.5 Gigabit wide LAN for high-speed networking, and interface offers range of interface including USB 3.2 Gen2 Type-C into 1, USB 3.2 Gen2 Type-A into 1, USB 3.2 Gen1 Type-A into 2, and USB 2.0 into 4 include HDMI into 1 and DisplayPort into 1. And friends, the estimated market price is approximately 145 USD dollar. 145 USD dollar. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.